here I'm going to go to store, guys, to show you that I unlocked this bullet in Killer Bean store. As you can see, both side own. Now I'm going to show you how to hack Killer Bean Unleash. Now you're going to go on your mobile phone and follow these steps. Mobile phone, click on Chrome's. Now Chrome is loading up. Now you're going to wait, guys. Right now till it load up perfectly. Now go into Chrome right now, guys. Right now. Now you're going to click on that type option. Click on that type option now. Type in AppyMod. Right now I'm going to type in AppyMod. This modless button now. And the S button now. And you finish typing, you're going to click on go. Yes, guys. Now AppyMod is searching up now. This is the first page. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click on that link. Yes, everyone's click on that AppyMod link right now. Click on it. When you click on the link, it's going to lead you to this website. This AppyMod website now, guys. What you're going to do is scroll down now and click on download now. Now you're going to click on download now. That is the white one. You're going to click on download now, guys. Click on it. Now we click on download now. You're going to click on download. That is the blue button right there under that AppyMod logo. You're going to click on that blue right now. Click on it. Now we're going to click on download anyways. Click on download anyways. Click on open. Now you're going to click on details to see when it download. Yes, guys. We're going to click on details to see when it's downloading. Now you're going to click on install. So I don't know, do we ever download this AppyMod to make it work. Click on install now. The app is installing now, guys. So soon as the app installing, I'll show you the next step. Click on open, guys. You can tap on open right now. Now when you click on open, you're going to see that AppyMod appeared when you download it. Now you see the type option that AppyMod. You're going to click on that type option right now. Click on that type option right now. Type in Killer Bean in that search bar. That I'm going to type in now. Killer Bean right now. Now you're going to click on Killer Bean Unleash. Click on it. Right there, we download AppyMod now. We're going to download Killer Bean through AppyMod. That's AppyMod that I download before. Now we're going to download this Killer Bean through AppyMod to make it work. Now we're going to scroll down right now, guys, right here. Yes, guys, where you see all weapon play pockets are open, you're going to click on download on that one. Click on download, guys. You click on download on that one. You're going to click on download start. It's after you click on download start. Now you're going to see that circle thing come up. Say that Killer Bean is downloaded. At I'm pointing on, guys, you're going to see this circle something come up. That means your Killer Bean I downloaded fast right now. The Killer Bean is download fast, right? Where you see I'm pointing that arrow. That is download 100% that Killer Bean. You're going to see unknown app staging. Now you're going to click on that settings. Click on that AppyMod settings and turn on permission. Then you click on install on Killer Bean. Yeah. Now you're going to see this page come back. Now you're going to tap on install right there. Tap on install. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean is installed in right now. Now you're going to tap on open. Click on open, guys. Yes, I tap on open. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean is open up now, guys. As you can see, Killer Bean open up. After loading up now, the first thing that you're going to do, guys, go to store to purchase weapon first. Guys, before you select any map, go to store to purchase this weapon. Automatic own now. After that, we're going to select map that we want to play. What is no level? Now we're going to select any map that you want to play. Now guys, as you can see, select Mecha level 1. See that your weapon is switching. So as you can see, I am switching the weapon, guys. So you are Killer Bean Unleashed, guys. Don't forget to like this video right now and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.